Today we will do one of the hardest questions on parabolas. Take a moment to read the question. Here you can see two equations. One is a parabola equation, another one is a straight line equation. And the question is asking to find out what is the value of x where it meets at exactly one point. To find out that, we need to solve these two equations. Let me subtract the straight line equation from the parabola equation. Parabola equation is y equals to 2x square minus 21x plus 64, and the straight line equation is y equals to 3x plus a. I am going to subtract this equation from the above equation. So this is going to be y minus y is 0 equals to 2x square minus 24x plus 64 minus a. And since it is intersecting exactly at one point, the discriminant has to be equals to 0. Discriminant is b square minus 4ac, and this b is minus 24 whole square minus 4 times a is 2 times c is 64 minus a equals to 0. So 24 whole square, don't try to find out the value of minus 24 whole square, just write it as 24 times 24, 24 times 24, and take this 4 times 2 times 64 minus a to the right hand side. So this becomes 4 times 2 is 8 times 64 minus a. Divide by 8 on both the sides. This is going to be 3 times 24 equals 64 minus a. Now if you observe here at the end of this quadratic equation, here we have 64 minus a. I know the value of 64 minus a, which is 24 times 3, which gives you 72. So 64 minus a equals to 72. Now let me plug in this value back into the quadratic equation. Now the quadratic equation is going to be 2x square minus 24x plus 72 equals to 0. We know this is the quadratic equation. Let's plug in this quadratic equation in the calculator and see what are the possible values of x. This is the quadratic equation that we have, and if you look at this graph, this line is passing through only one value of x, which is x equals to 6. That is what he is asking us to find out. So the final answer is going to be option C.